guys, oh my god, this lighting is so bad. Hey guys, it's Aria. Sorry, I'm just gonna hold the camera because I cannot for the life of me figure out vlogging with this camera in the car. So, as you can tell by my fully loaded up car, we are moving back into my apartment today. This isn't gonna be like as much of a move-in process as last year because it's the same apartment, so like a lot of my stuff is already there, but I still have all my clothes, all of my plants, decorations, all that stuff. So I have about a 3.5 hour drive ahead of me, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave. It's like 9:30 in the morning right now, so I should get there around like 12:30 or 1. One of my roommates, Brian, is already there, and then my roommate Kevin is coming tomorrow. Let's go. That was stupid. Alright guys, we made it. I have to pee so fucking bad though. Hello?
Hello there.
I'm here to steal a fridge. I heard you have extras.
Oh, please.
Hello?
Oh, I missed you. You look so good. I love that outfit. Where's all your stuff?
Oh, it's all in my car. I just have to pee so fucking bad. Little update. This is what my room is looking like. Oh, good. They are doing construction. I have been unpacking for like an hour and a half. You wouldn't know because my stuff is everywhere. My roommate Brian is actually in a meeting right now, so I have to talk kind of quietly. He did like an internship this summer and it's remote. It's actually still continuing like through this week. So he is on a Zoom call. I put away all my clothes already, about to do my desk and decorations. I need to go grocery shopping at some point. Yeah, I'll show you what my room is looking like. This plant is gonna come back to life. It's gonna be fine. Yeah. But I already put all my clothes away, as you saw earlier. So, not too bad. Yeah, very happy to be back in my room. I love this room. I think I'm just gonna keep unpacking. Also, I will show you guys, like, even though I'm not like moving in, like I already live here, I'll show you guys the apartment and like the dining room and the kitchen area because we actually just got some stuff renovated. We had a new fridge and a new stove, and also we have like done a lot more decorations since last year. So I'll definitely show you guys that in a little bit.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place, no life to find.
Update, this is what my room looks like. Desk is still a disaster, but we're not going to deal with that today. Lovely ambiance. Just, I love the sounds of nature in the background. Yeah, I washed my sheets, so it's much nicer now. Do you want to say hi?
Hello, vlog. Long time no see.
It's been a while since you were in a vlog.
Yeah, because last semester I was pretty busy with work, and then now the whole summer I had an internship, which is still going on. So
yep, he's a working man.
I really It's stressful to be a working man, let me tell you. Oh.
I'm the stay-at-home trophy wife. I cook, I clean, he's working.
The breadwinner. No, I'm the breadwinner.
Yeah. I'm making literal bread, but you're making the money. Here, I'll show you guys what our apartment looks like. If you want like a more in-depth apartment tour, watch last year's move-in vlog. Yeah, so the door's right here, and then you walk in like this. Sorry if you guys have seen this before. We like to keep our fridge in the living room for easy snack access. No, I'm just kidding. They replaced our fridge and like didn't tell us, so they just plugged the old one into the living room. And then we have a new one right here. So we have 2 fridges. We need to call maintenance to get them to take it, but this is what our living room looks like. If I have footage of what it used to look like, I will include it because it used to look very bare. It's a lot nicer now. This light is color changing, which is kind of cool. Let's see. Except when it like doesn't work. There we go. Get a nice vibe going. It doesn't actually work that well. Okay, I guess it's gonna be that color. We're on the first floor, so we have this little patio area with these chairs that I brought last year. It's our little view. Please don't try and figure out where I live. Yeah, and then they replaced a bunch of stuff in our kitchen. This is our kitchen. We just got a new stove and like oven set up, which is nice. They also gave us a new fridge. There's not like that much in here because it's just been Brian here for a few days, but I am about to go grocery shopping, so. Oh, I never showed you guys. We have this like coffee cart. This is my coffee maker. I mean, we all use it, but this is mine. It has like all of these different like fancy settings. It makes cold brew. It does all of these different sizes. And then we have like a bunch of stirrups right here and right here, and we got pumps for them to make it really easy. And then that's Brian's Keurig. Oh, this coffee maker also makes tea. You just like switch out the filter and then it like makes tea, which is really cool. Have like coffee grounds, some more mugs in there. We also have some mugs on the side there. And then we have a bunch of tea, like way too much. And then this is our pantry. It's looking pretty bare right now. We have this shit on our table that we need to deal with, but we just got this tablecloth. I'm not supposed to go in Kevin's room because he said he left it really messy. My bathroom is a mess and I have not cleaned it yet. I need to like clean and organize my bathroom, but that sounds like a problem for tomorrow. I don't think the mold came back in my bathtub, but I'm gonna scrub it out again, just to be sure. Then we have my room, which is still a work in progress, but just looking cute. I really need to get some hooks for all these freaking bags that I have. I also need to get new plants to replace the ones that died. I'm gonna go to the grocery store now. Hey guys, I'm on my phone. Sorry if the quality is like different or something. I am about to go to Food Lion. I just don't have it in me to bring my freaking vlog camera into Food Lion with me and get weird stares. So we're gonna be doing this on my phone. It's 5 o'clock. I got here at like 1. So I've been unpacking for like 4 hours. I'm so tired. I need to go to the grocery store. Can I speak? I need to go to the grocery store because I literally have no food in my apartment, like none at all. So I need to do that. And then I'm probably gonna make some dinner and we'll see if I feel like unpacking or not anymore. Hey guys, it's like a couple hours later now. Sorry, I'm just like kind of awkwardly crouching on my floor because I don't know where to put you. I went grocery shopping. My upstairs neighbors are back. Yay. I went grocery shopping and then I had some dinner and then I literally just laid in my bed for like 2 hours on TikTok. I'm pretty much unpacked except for like my desk area, and I still have this one backpack. Oh my god, I can't even lift this. I still have this backpack that I haven't unpacked yet, and I really just kind of need to like organize my desk. I was going to like procrastinate that until tomorrow, but I really don't feel like I can relax looking at the state of my desk right now, so I think I might do some reorganizing, and then I think I'm gonna make some tea or something and just like chill out because I am exhausted. Also, it's like pouring rain and I think it's about to start thunderstorming. It's very peaceful outside. I think I might continue this vlog into tomorrow because tomorrow I need to go to Target and I also want to go to Lowe's and get some more plants. I do really kind of want to like reorganize my room a little bit, especially under my bed. I don't really know if I'll get to that in this video though. But yeah, for now, I think I'm going to deal with my desk because it's really messy. It's the next day. Sorry if I'm looking around. There's like maintenance people walking around and I feel awkward. I am about to go to Goodwill just to like pop in and see if there's any decorations. And then I need to go to Lowe's because I want to get some more plants. I also really need to go to like Target and get some hooks and maybe some other stuff for my room. I really could use some more organization for my bathroom. I'm going to clean my bathroom today because it's absolutely disgusting and I need to. My other roommate Kevin is moving in today. I think he's coming in around 3. My arm is getting really tired, so I think I'm gonna go to Goodwill first. Okay, to be honest, you guys, the rest of this day kind of went to shit, so I'm just gonna be here like voicing over and explaining what happened. So first I went to 2 different Goodwills. Both had absolutely nothing, which was totally fine. It's always kind of a hit or miss with Goodwill. Then I went to Home Goods and again found absolutely nothing. Then I went to Target and literally the only thing I found were some hooks that were like literally $4 that I probably could have just ordered online. I also went to Bed Bath & Beyond and TJ Maxx. Couldn't find anything that I was looking for. Really, I just wanted one of those bathroom rugs. You know, the ones that like wrap around your toilet? That's mostly what I wanted to find and I could not find that anywhere. They were just sold out everywhere. Then I went to Lowe's, which was definitely a success. I got so many new plants that I'm so excited about. And then right when I got home, my roommate Kevin actually got here.
How you doing? Did you just get me? Yeah, I just got it. Oh my god, how you doing? I'm good. I just thought...
One thing I did actually buy was this mic for my vlog camera. And here's some footage of my roommates and I just like losing it over how ridiculous it looks. It looks so...
Jiggles. I'm not gonna be able to keep a straight face anytime you vlog with that now. It's just gonna jiggle. It's
hey
right
guys.
in the back too. Oh my god.
Hey guys, this is my ASMR channel now.
No, here's a mess. Don't come in. No. It's always like
This is my ASMR channel now.
Is it now?
Yeah, this is a fluffy mic.
We've been trying to contact you about your car's extended warranty.
And then I put up the hooks that I bought, and I did have to get my roommate Kevin to help me because I can't do anything by myself apparently. I hung up all the wicker and brown tone bags I had because I thought that they matched my room, and I really like how it turned out. And that leaves us here because I forgot to record an outro for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am super happy to be back in my apartment. I've been back here for not even like a full week now, and I'm just so happy to be here. Also, in the whole process of looking for things for my bathroom and not being able to find anything, I kind of just started thinking about my bathroom more and like really looking at it, and I realized I really hate it. It's really ugly, and I'm most likely going to be living here for another 2 years. So I think I might do a bathroom makeover. Definitely let me know in the comments if that's something that you guys are interested in. It would be like a renter-friendly bathroom makeover kind of thing. I'm probably going to do it either way. Basically, just let me know if I should like film it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!